I'm kind of curious as to how old some of our viewers are. So let's see if you can name this song, because if so, you can definitely name the movie. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Jeep TJ part something. I really won't know till I edit. So this transformer looking cardboard mess is the tub of the TJ. So we're going to go through, we are going to mix up some primer, and we are going to get this sprayed out. Pretty exciting, because if we're spraying primer, that means the only sanding I have to do is wet sanding. So we're going to go over here to the paint booth, get this sorted out. Be back in a minute. We're all mixed up. We got her in the gun, so I'm going to grab her. I'm going to start with the crappy part, which is the grill, and then work my way around to the easy part. So I'm going to go turn on my music. I'm sure I'm going to be turning on some music for you guys. So let's do it. Here we are the next day, and as you can see, we got her all wet sanded. So now we're going to go through and we're going to wet sand her again. We're going to get rid of and replace all my pizza boxes, because I got plenty of those. And then we're going to basically degrease her, tack cloth her, and get her ready for paint. Hopefully I can get this thing painted tonight. So can we get to the good part yet? So here we are, ready to spray, and we are not messing around today. After yesterday's brutal headache from the primer, we are going with the big mask today. So, should be fine. So, I'm going to get some paint mixed up, throw on some Hanson Brothers, and we're going to bop our way to a paint job. With the exception of the doors, this is the last little bit that I have to paint. Got the front bumper and the winch mount, little crash bar thingy, and we got the fender flares and the little stock ones over there. So we're going to be Raptor lining these. This stuff's really simple, really easy to spray. You just need one of these guns. So you just put 8 ounces of the hardener in there, put it in a cup, throw it in here, shake it really well, start spraying. So let's get on this. So here you go. All this, what I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. I went through 1 container of it. And all you really need is 1 good coat, especially if you already have like a black base. And I love this stuff. I'm going to be doing the entire interior of the Jeep, but that's going to be for another video. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hey, get off the couch and get in the garage.